Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 2008. In this video we'll show you where can you find toolset location. To find toolset location in your car, take a look at the trunk of it. Lift the trunk floor and lift bottom of the trunk floor. Right here you can find towing hook, fire extinguisher, emergency triangle, and here you should be able to check and find tire sealant and compressor. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.